So let's get outside and plant some cauliflowers. Quite a deep hole. I'll take off the bottom leaves. Firm it in. So I'm packing these cauliflowers in closer than I normally do it, but they're about 15 inches apart. So I'll remove the lower leaves and I think I'll still have enough space. If not, I can remove them once they grow on a bit. But yeah, the new compost, the new bed's looking really well. The soil's really, really rich, so I'm looking forward to see how these grow. So rather than waste the space, because cauliflowers take longer to grow, longer growing season than obviously things I'm going to be putting around, like salad leaves, radishes, spinach, all that good stuff. So I'm going to pack that in around, and then just to maximise the space, so while the cauliflowers are growing, I've got things that I can cut and grow and all around, so I'm making full use of my new bed. So these are now lettuces going in. So I put like the spicy, hot and spicy mix around the outside, and also lettuce. So they'll grow quite quickly compared to the cauliflowers. So in the other raised bed, I'm packing in radishes, mizuna, komatsuna, pak choi, all of the stuff that I had grown in the racking on the inside the greenhouse. Just getting them outside now, and there you go. So radishes in within the onions, so that this bed is like fully packed now. I'm going to be doing some digging over the compost. Let's take a look. So we're going to start transferring this to the first bit, and then we'll move what's bay number 3 into bay number 2. So this compost here, I'm taking it out of bay number 2, turning it over and shoveling it into bay number 1, which will be my finished compost bay. So I'm going to take this down all the way, turning it over, putting it into bay number 1. And then what I'm going to do is get the plastic coated chicken wire and coat around the outside. This will stop the compost falling through the gaps in the pallets. So there you can see bay number 3 completely empty. That's been turned over and put into bay number 2, where it'll still compost away. And bay number 1's full of me prime compost now, so absolutely happy with that. Hope you like it. If you can subscribe, that would be brilliant, and I'll catch you in the next one.